Welcome to this 8th video on the unit circle in trigonometry. We will explore its definition, master key equation, and how to use it for solving coordinates. Let's go. The circle is a fundamental shape in human progress, from the first wheels to modern engines. It is defined as all points equidistant from a fixed center. Now here is the definition of the unit circle. A unit circle is defined as a circle with a radius of 1 unit, centered at the origin, 0, 0, of the rectangular coordinate plane. Okay, so the question is, how do we determine if the point is on the unit circle or not? Well, we can derive the master key equation by applying the Pythagorean theorem to any point on the circle, resulting in x squared plus y squared equals 1. That's it, simple as that. This master equation serves as a membership test. If a point's coordinates satisfy x squared plus y squared equals 1, the point is on the unit circle. For example, the point 4/5, 3/5 is a perfect fit. When substituted into the equation, we get 1 equals 1, verifying it is on the circle. However, for a test point like 0.3, -0.7, the result is 0.58, which does not equal 1, so access is denied. It means the point is not on the unit circle. To find a missing coordinate, we use 3 steps. Substitute the known value, isolate the variable, and then take the square root, remembering to include plus or minus. In investigation case 1, we find x when y is 0.5. After substituting, isolating, and taking the root, x is approximately plus or minus 0.866. There are 2 answers because a single y coordinate can correspond to 2 x coordinates on the unit circle, one positive and one negative. In investigation case 2, we solve for y with an x coordinate of -0.8. Squaring the negative number yields a positive result, and y is found to be plus or minus 0.6. When dealing with fractions, square the numerator and denominator separately. For x and 5/8, step 1 is x squared plus 5/8 squared equals 1, which simplifies to x squared plus 25/64 equals 1. To solve with fractions, find a common denominator for 1. Subtract 25/64 from 1, giving 39/64. Taking the square root results in x equals plus or minus root 39 over 8. For the final challenge, with a point of -2/9, y, substitute and solve for y. This leads to y squared equals 77/81, so y is plus or minus root 77 over 9. In summary, the unit circle has a radius of 1, centered at the origin, with the code x squared plus y squared equals 1. Membership is true if the sum equals 1, and solving involves substitute, isolate, and root, remembering plus or minus. Here is the quick summary of what we covered today. Have a pause and take a shot. Thank you for watching this video on the unit circle. Just don't forget to watch the other explainers in our subject playlist. See you on the next one.